That's a good boy. Hold it, it's okay. How are you, Papa? How are you, my baby? As you can see, there is no biting.
You just have to take a few bites.
No, not with this one. This one is so friendly, I swear to you. Look, it lets you stroke him. It lets you do this. It lets you hold it like this. So as you can see, I've got my hands around the thing.
The ringneck.
Okay, it's skittish. He's put his tail and his thing in the water or let it dry, and I'll show you. It's not cut or nothing. As you can see, it's very small. It's still a baby.
Because it's a baby.
Come on, step up. Good boy.
If you see his tail long, that means it's a grown up. If you see his tail a little bit grown, that means it's a medium type.
Good boy,
And if you
Papa.
see-
How do you know that, Papa?
And if you see it's little type with a tail.
Lets you do scratches, everything.
And the red ones off the red ones off the
Come on to my finger.
the
come
red
on.
ones off the ring neck is
Okay, just quiet, Papa. Let's just take the video, yeah? You're such a good boy. Such a good boy. Can I give you scratches? Can I give you scratches there in the body, yeah? Oh, Baba, you're breaking my phone, Baba. Come on. Come on, start doing it again.
sweaty.
Just look, you're stepping on your tablet, yeah? Just stop doing that and just calm down and stop talking, okay? Good boy. Such a good boy. He's a baby. And we can even give him scratches underneath his thing like that, okay?
3 seconds. 5, 4. Actually, 60 seconds. 100 seconds.
Come on. Come on. Get up. You wanna
20, 10, 2.
Come on, give me a bite. Ooh! Ooh! Ooh!
10, 11,
No, I'm
12.
Just don't talk, Baba, okay? I want to do this video. Come on, bite my hands, come on. Good boy. Such a good boy you are. You are such a good boy. Do you know that? You are such a good boy. It's okay, come on. Come back onto my other hands. Come onto my finger, come on. That's it, good boy. Step up, that's it. Come on, you know what to do. You know what to do. As you can see by yourself, I can hold its leg, feet. Look, it's not even biting me or nothing. I'm holding its feet hard. I'm literally holding it hard. So you can go around like this without even thinking. I'm just letting go. Good boy. Come on, but give me a bite. Look, no biting at all. They just play with your fingers. As you can see, you could stroke her, give her head scratch it,
Is
give
it
her
a
head
girl?
scratches.
Is it a girl?
No, it's a boy.
I wanted to say her.
I'm not sure why I said her, but it just came out. You're such a good boy. Can I touch your beak? Yeah, you're such a good boy. That's the best I can say, Baisab. That is the friendliest we have, you know. And as you can see, it's been on my. It won't go for my. It won't go for me. Hopefully, that's all I can promise you. I don't know how it's going to be with you, but with us, it's a very friendly bird. Wait, son, let me see how the video is.